Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, let's find the solution for the fourth question in exercise 5.2. So the question is differentiation of secant of tan of root x. Now look at this function as secant of some function. So here assume tan root x as a. So how do you differentiate secant a? Secant a's differentiation is secant a. So I'm going to write that as such inside tan a. So a again is going to be tan root x. Now into d by dx of tan of root x. So this is going to be the function that we assumed. So we need to differentiate that inside. Now tan's differentiation is going to be secant squared. So let's first write this out. So this I'm going to retain as such. So secant of tan root x into tan of tan root x into d by dx of tan root x is going to be equal to secant squared root x. Again, you need to treat root x as another function. So into d by dx of root x. So in this case, let's do once more differentiation. So the last part alone, the rest will be copied as such. So this is secant of tan root x into tan of tan root x into secant squared root x. Now d by dx of root x. So x power half, differentiation will be half into x power minus half, can be written as 1 by 2 root x. So into 1 by 2 root x. Or you can rearrange this whole answer as secant of tan root x into tan of tan root x into secant squared x, the whole thing divided by 2 root x. In the next video, we will find the solution for the fifth question in this exercise. See you in the next video. Bye.